Huge shout out to Adidas, huge shout out to Donovan Mitchell, huge shout out to bel-air, Will Smith for the one time, man. Honestly, a hero, bro. Like, you talk about growing up, your idols, man, it had to be easily, you know, your Martin Lawrence, your Will Smith, just so many great people. So I'm really excited I've gotten this package in. Shout out to the homie Gerald for the one time. But let's crack it open, man. I've been really excited. I knew this package was coming. I don't necessarily know exactly what's inside. Something fun for all of us. You guys can see on the box, it says item name bel-air box. So let's see what we got going on here, man. This is pretty dope, man. It always blows my mind. Like, I've been able to work with so many like cool brands and just all these insane opportunities, all from YouTube, bro. Like, literally making sneaker videos. That's what I was doing in college. And you know, here we are. I'm like basically living the life that I thought I wanted. You know what I mean? Or I shouldn't even say that. I know I wanted. Just the life that I like put out there. Kept on saying like, yes, this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. And it's like, it's real. You know what I mean? So it's pretty cool. I say all that to say, man, just believe in yourself. So many people want to try to tell you what you should be doing, but in reality, man, you should be doing what you love, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Take risk, man. Okay, dope. Wow. So this is a huge box. So you guys can see bel-air Athletics. I think that's really dope for Will to be able to just extend that kind of Fresh Prince vibe all these years later. You know what I mean? Wow, this box is dope. These are the kind of unboxings I'm talking about, man. That special edition. I'm feeling like Cousteau right now. My box got a little damaged right here, but it's all good. So we have that cool bel-air stamp, collegiate vibes. Box opens up just like this. So we have the d.o.n issue 3s. A little bit of a backstory on Adidas Donovan Mitchell. So if you guys don't know, Donovan was an inner city kid, moved out to the suburbs to, you know, continue playing basketball. Very similar to something like Will Smith going from the inner cities to bel-air, basically the suburbs. So that's kind of the concept behind this. All inspired by the jacket that Will Smith would wear with his uniform, if you guys can remember from the TV show. But let's get into what we have. Number one being a nice little composition notebook, which is dope. Definitely needed this. Something to write your ideas. Here's another fun tip for you guys, man. Be sure to always write anything that you want, any of your goals in a notebook, man. You write it down, it becomes real. So I know I sound like I'm trying to preach to you, but I'm telling you, man, like these little things add up. So I'm definitely gonna be using this. Then it looks like we have, oh, wow, all right. Mike, this is dope. Like it actually says, so this isn't handwritten. It's printed on there, but that's still pretty cold. So it says, Mike, from the city of the suburbs, we present you an official collaboration with Adidas, Donovan Mitchell, and bel-air Athletics. Commemorating Donovan's journey through prep school. Similar to the Fresh Prince Donovan, this is hilarious. It's literally what I just read to you guys. So yeah, basically that whole concept, but still pretty dope. Then we have some pencils. I only write in pens, so damn, this is classic. Y'all, hey man, I ain't in school no more, but I remember being a kid going to get brand new pencils and the little pencil sharpener, having the like spiral notebook, you know, had to have the most fire folders, you know what I mean? Had that SpongeBob life, all that good stuff. Looks like we have some, I'm assuming, yeah, some basketball shorts right here. Again, with that really cool print. This print is way more fire than Paisley, man. Paisley's like popping right now and it's pretty cold, but nothing hits like this. These are really dope. Let's just take it out of the bag. I'm pretty sure it's a basketball short. That would honestly make the most sense. Oh yeah, so we got the Adidas embroidery on there, 3 stripes. Nice short. I love a lot of the shorts Adidas be coming out with are very solid as far as comfort and length. Then it looks like we have a t-shirt. Yes, sir. A lot of this stuff you guys can pick up on adidas.com if anyone's interested, but we got this cool tiger on there, bel-air Athletics, Adidas. And then the last apparel we got in here seems to be a sweatshirt. Now let's see if it's a hoodie or crew neck. Oh yeah, so we got a hoodie. Really nice, looks like we got this cool screen printed design, I'm pretty sure. Almost like that raised screen print. I can't remember the exact name of this, but quality is A1 as expected. And again, with the Adidas embroidery. Clean, nice light workout hoodie. Let's go ahead and get into the shoes. You can see on the floor how long this box is. It's kind of crazy. First pair, d.o.n. issue number 3. Cool box. bel-air Athletics, Adidas. Man, they really went all out. I always wonder like how far in advance they plan for releases like this. Again, with that design of the jacket on the inside. And here is the first pair. These d.o.n. issue number 3s actually run for $120. Looks like we have this nice little rubberized gore strap. I have yet to have a pair of these, so I'm pretty excited. You guys know me, man. I primarily hoop in the Kobe, so I'd love to give these a try. I'm gonna have to get in the gym and, you know, just test them out. Sole is huge. That's what I'm kind of wondering about. The traction on this has got to be A1, but I mean, until we put them to the test, we'll never know. Man, I always talk about this, bro. I need to get back to performance reviews. It was a lot easier when I was playing basketball in college because I could literally just go to the gym. But I actually have a gym. I just got a new gym membership here and nobody's ever at the court. So I'll go ahead and try these out and kind of give you guys an update later on. But I mean, I'm assuming Donovan Mitchell is representing this shoe. It's got to be pretty solid because the boy is getting buckets, you know what I mean? But seeing this one, I want to see what the other pair looks like. Let's go ahead and check that out. So same box, recycled content, gotta love it. Eco-friendly as usual. Okay, these go crazy. So first off, you have the same, it's literally the same shoe, right? But this is damn near the What the bel-air. I gotta throw it up on the screen just so you guys can see Will's suit jacket that he would wear in Fresh Prince. They did a really good job. And overall, these are sweet, man. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this a cop for you? Have any of you guys tried any of Donovan Mitchell's shoes? This is like just unique, you know what I mean? And gotta love just the 90s Fresh Prince vibe. I feel like any sneakers that can bring me back to like the nostalgic days, like I'm always a fan of. That's literally sneakers in general. Most of us couldn't afford a lot of these shoes as kids. So as we get older, you get jobs, you start making some money, then you pretty much buy everything that you couldn't get as a kid. And this just gives me so many great memories, man. I used to love watching the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. So rest in peace, Uncle Phil, man. Huge shout out to bel-air Athletics for sending these over. Honestly, I'm truly honored to have gotten these. So there you guys have it, man. What did you think about the unboxing? Let me know down below. Much love to y'all. Take it easy and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.